I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating a corner. That's the trick. Turn the iPhone off, lay it face up, and clean around the edges so dust won't trap. With your thumbnail or a thin plastic card, press gently between the glass and protector at a corner. Create a barely visible gap. If the adhesive resists, slide dental floss horizontally under that gap while pulling up slightly with the opposite hand. This gives you a stable lift point without bending or cracking the glass. Once you have a lifted corner, maintain a low, steady angle, about 10 to 20 degrees, and peel across the display slowly. You want a smooth, even motion. Sudden tugs can snap tempered glass. If the protector cracks, keep pulling from intact sections rather than forcing a broken piece. For sticky residue or strong adhesive, warm the protector with a hairdryer on low for about 5 to 8 seconds, then continue. Heat softens the glue and makes finish by lifting the last edge slowly, then check the screen for residue. You can dampen a lint-free cloth with 70% isopropyl and wipe gently. Never pour liquid on the phone. Make sure speakers and sensors are clear before applying a new guard. If the protector shatters, stop, put on gloves, press wide tape onto shards, lift them as a unit, and dispose safely. If adhesive remains, reheat briefly and wipe again. Repeat until the glass is clean and smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.